Norway's coastline does not behave like a road map. A short journey here can become hours of waiting, detours, and sea crossings. Norway's answer was not to cross the water, but to pass beneath it. These tunnels are not floating tubes. They are carved through ancient bedrock. The same rock that protects the tunnel can also become its greatest risk.
Before drilling begins, engineers must read a landscape they cannot see. Every core sample is a warning, a map, and a promise. The route must descend far enough, but never beyond what safety allows.
One Norwegian tunnel reached a depth few roadways had ever attempted.
At the entrance, it looks like an ordinary road into a mountain. But the road is falling, meter by meter, beneath the sea. Drivers see asphalt and lights. Above them are rock, water, and pressure. The deeper the tunnel goes, the more the invisible pressure matters. Weak zones must be sealed before the tunnel can safely move forward. Underground progress begins not with force, but with geometry. The drill prepares the rock for a blast measured in seconds.
A safe blast is not chaos. It is calculation made visible. After every blast, the mountain must be carried out piece by piece.
The tunnel is only safe when the rock is taught to hold itself. The tunnel grows by repetition. Drill, blast, clear, reinforce, and measure again. Underground, measurement is the difference between progress and danger. Even sealed rock can breathe water through its smallest fractures.
The tunnel survives because pumps quietly fight gravity every hour.
Fresh air underground is engineered, measured, and constantly controlled. To the driver, the miracle is designed to feel ordinary.
In a deep tunnel, safety is built as layers, not promises.
A road fire underground is dangerous because smoke has nowhere natural to go.
Ventilation can turn invisible air into a life-saving barrier. Norway did not become a tunnel nation by choice alone.
The geography demanded solutions that ordinary highways could not provide.
The E39 is Norway's long coastal question. How do you connect the broken edge?
Rogfast is one answer to the dream of a more reliable coast road.
Boknafjorden is beautiful, but for road builders, it is a barrier.
The planned route links communities separated by water, weather, and time. When complete, the tunnel is planned to run for nearly 27 kilometers. The next record pushes even deeper, toward almost 400 meters below sea level.
Depth is not just a number. It changes every engineering decision.
Two tubes divide traffic, space, ventilation, and emergency planning. Beneath Kvitsøy, the tunnel becomes something even stranger, an underground road network. A junction beneath the sea turns the tunnel into buried infrastructure.
The cost is not just concrete and machines. It is uncertainty underground.
In 2018, the idea began turning into rock dust and tunnel portals. Then the project slowed, as rising costs forced a deeper review.
To continue, engineers and planners had to rebuild the plan itself.
The tunnel returned as a more carefully divided engineering campaign.
A tunnel this large is not built from one direction alone.
From the north, machines begin carving toward the hidden center. From the south, another tunnel face moves toward the same unseen target. Two tunnels can miss each other unless every measurement is trusted.
The route is guided by instruments, mathematics, and relentless checking.
Even the best surveys cannot remove every surprise from the rock.
Before crews advance, they ask the rock what lies ahead.
Water is not unexpected here. Uncontrolled water is the enemy.
Grout turns fractured stone into a tighter barrier against the sea.
Progress resumes only when the mountain is made predictable again. Every meter of tunnel creates rock that must go somewhere.
Building beside the fjord means protecting what the tunnel is meant to cross. For local communities, the project is measured in minutes, reliability, and access. A faster road can reshape how goods, workers, and services move.
Above, storms can delay ferries. Below, the road is sheltered in stone. A long subsea drive must feel safe, clear, and mentally manageable.
Lighting is not decoration here. It is part of the safety system.
Underground, every sign must answer a question before panic can ask it.
A modern tunnel is watched like a living machine.
The visible road hides thousands of quiet technical decisions. Without power, the tunnel loses its eyes, lungs, and voice. The design assumes that important systems must have a second chance.
In a twin-tube tunnel, the neighboring tube can become a lifeline. Emergency plans only matter if people practice them before they are needed.
The most dangerous scenarios are studied first, on screens and in drills.
Deep roads need vertical lungs carved through the mountain. These fans must move air across distances most drivers never imagine. Inside the tunnel, air behaves like an invisible river under command. Below the asphalt, another hidden system carries water away. At the lowest point, gravity brings every leak to the same problem. The tunnel must constantly lift water back toward the world above. Opening the tunnel is not the end. It is the beginning of maintenance. Behind every machine is a person trained to respect the mountain.
Progress underground depends on routine, discipline, and patience. Dust, noise, and darkness are engineering problems too.
No record matters if the people building it are not protected.
Projects like Rogfast become classrooms for the next generation of tunnels.
Wherever water divides land, engineers study what Norway has learned. The tunnel does not defeat nature, it negotiates with it.
In the end, the mountain decides how difficult the road will be.
The real technology is patience applied with precision.
If the plan holds, traffic will enter this road in the next decade. The first descent will feel ordinary, because that is the achievement. At the deepest point, the fjord is no longer scenery. It is overhead.
Around the driver, the tunnel is quietly working like a machine.
Then the road climbs, and the sea becomes distance again.
A fjord has been crossed without a bridge, a ferry, or a wave.
The coastline does not change, but the experience of distance does.
Reliability can be as valuable as speed.
Every megaproject carries trade-offs, even when its purpose is connection.
A tunnel like this is built not for years, but for generations.
Norway learned to cross water by trusting stone.
The greatest part of this road is the part no one sees.
Megaprojects matter most when they quietly change ordinary lives.
Norway did not conquer the sea. It built a road beneath its silence.